Hello. Today what I wanted to show you is a survival shelter enhancement for this Soul double heat sheet. Now this here is the one I use. I bring out for survival if I needed it for shelter. I can wrap it around me, but I can also string it up and use it as a shelter out of the rain, out of the wind, and also with a long fire, bow bed and such, I can use this in extreme temperatures to stay alive. So, as you know, in this large community of ours, people post their thoughts in the comments and such, and Leslie Kovacs said, as I showed this in a previous video, that it looks like I had enough room in here to put buttons in here and cordage and such to make my shelters that I would want with this. So I usually carry it in a separate area in my pack or in my kit, the cordage I would need, but I thought that was a good idea. Why not have it all in one in this bag? So I'm going to show you what I have in here, and it's just a good enhancement to have everything all in one. So I'm not going to take the heat sheet out of here because it's nicely packed in here. This one I've never used, but I've used one that is exactly like it for shelters many times, and it works great. So I'm just going to set that up there. Now I only have 2 buttons in here because that was all I had. So there's another button in here. Right here. So what I've got in here is 2 buttons. That's all I had. So I would put these up top. Now sometimes I won't be able to stake out the bottom. I'll just have to put a log across the back or something. Or I can use pebbles, I can use coins or whatever for the other 2 that I would need. This here is 12 feet, a bank line. I've got 4 Canadian jam knot slip knots. This here is so I can put my button in and then I can slip this around it. And that's going to allow me to use the button method up top. I'll have 2 up top. This here is a tie off. And I also have 2 for the bottom if I wanted to stake it out in the bottom. So I've got 4 of those all together. Slip knots with a Canadian jam knot. And I also have these loops here for prusik knots that I can run my ridge line. I'll put the prusik knot in, I'll do the button method, then I can tie this to this and pull it tight. So I have everything I need right here in this few pieces of cordage to hang my shelter. So this here is a simple idea, and like I said, I usually carry cordage in another compartment in my kit for doing this, but having it all in one was a great idea, so I had to share it. And I want to thank Leslie Kovacs for mentioning it, because like I said, we all learn together, and just something this simple makes it all in one. So wanted to share that, and once again, thanks for watching, and maybe this can help you. Who knows? Take care.